The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Kaskur Green Hills Christian Academy umulong dapan man ko yay lai rally hagar pau sotri uniu benai yo percha ye kerni ipen em kam drok skam jule yo percha ye cha ra bor be cha penyap ki kena agini gisngi ya kini kerali das sedang nado na yung skor chado lat wa ye jer kam chi benta wo pen yo pajba ye percha jor ya kini ki jai kam ki wa penting pen smit we pen khia ye perkhat perdaing ki imlang salang wa ki chnong ki thaw waro ki kena skur dara ki le ye ki kot reben wada tho ki kintin wo kir nei drugs we wo ben le ye ki kam tham bor ye ki kena hatam bot luti da pen em kam le da ki tang heng wo e warta chula percha ye ki ni ki jai kam
Last one, please, shout back there.